To make a dozen traditional mince pies, you will need 200 grams of plain flour, 100 grams of butter, 300 grams of mincemeat, a splash of milk, and a sprinkle of sugar. First, preheat the oven to 190 with a fan or 200 without, which is gas mark 6, and grease your tin. Now for the short crust pastry. Make sure your hands are nice and cold, then gently rub the cubes of butter into the flour. Once it looks like crumbs, add water little by little and start gathering your dough into a ball. Roll it around the bowl to pick up any loose bits, then pop it in the fridge for around 10 minutes. You now have well-rested dough ready to roll. Flour your surface and roll it thin enough to cut all your shapes at once, because the more times you roll it out, the drier it will get. So that's 12 circles for the bottom and 12 smaller ones for the top. These can be the same shape or different, like stars. Add the bottom layers to your tin and 1 teaspoon of mincemeat. Careful not to overdo it as you don't want it bubbling out in the oven. Place on your tops, brush with milk and add a sprinkle of sugar. Then pop them in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes or until lightly browned. Once cooked, leave to cool, then enjoy. For more recipes, reviews and advice, click the link on screen to sign up to our free weekly newsletter. Check out the video below to find out how to make mulled wine in a slow cooker, and for more videos like this, subscribe to the Witch YouTube channel.